Friends, today we'll talk about basic bonsai tools. So, friend, bonsai in a nutshell, it is passion, it is patience, and a people. So, it is P3. So, friend, in this episode, we'll talk about very important basics tools which are required to start with a bonsai for the beginners. Right bonsai tools are very important, or they are required for a significant usage or the significant use for solve a problem or for the purpose. So, friends, bonsai tools are made up of different countries and they are available based upon your needs. So, Japan is a country where they prepare a black stainless steel bonsai tools, and they are very, very expensive. So, anyone cannot able to afford to buy them. At the same time, China also prepare the exact copy, and they are only stainless steel, and that can be affordable. But till today, India has never manufactured bonsai tools. So my frank opinion is that any bonsai lover, to start with the bonsai, you may not have so much expensive tools, because you may not have intended to use all kinds of tools, and they are not needed for you. So in that case, you can go to buy different plants, and you can train the plants, and then you can start to thinking about a bonsai when it's required for you in the future. So this tool may not be used for the beginners to start with this. Now I'll talk about different tools one by one. I'll show you n number of tools, and these particular tools will have n number of usage or n number of use. So all this tool which I use, which I kept them in a specific type of box, and this is called as bonsai tool box. Friends, to start with the tools, I'll show you one tool, and this is a very small tool intended to use for a defoliation. So these basically tools are normally used to cut small leaves. So you can see here the small leaves can be easily cut by using this particular tool, and this is called a small shear or a small scissor. This basically tool is intended to use for a defoliation, to cut the small leaves or a tiny leaves. Second tool is nothing but again a shear. This is called as butterfly shear, because the shape of the particular shear or the scissor is look like a butterfly. This particular tool is basically used to cut the larger leaves or maybe a small branches. So this basically tool is used to cut small branch, medium branch, and the large leaves. So this is the butterfly shear. Then this particular tool is everyone aware about this tool, and this is called as branch cutter, branch trimmer, or the seccator. Any gardener may have this tool, and this is a seccator. This is available in every garden shop, and this is made up of Falcon company, Falcon brand, and this can be a basic tool. So you can afford to buy this tool, and this tool is available for around 300 to 400 rupees. So you can have this tool, and this is called as bonsai cutter, bonsai pruner, bonsai trimmer, or a simple seccator. So this can be a beginner tool for a bonsai lover. So also in the market there are different bonsai cutters are available. So this is something called as knob cutters, small, medium, large branch cutters. This is again a branch cutter or branch pruner. The blade is concave in structure, as you can see here. Then again these are called as simple branch cutter. This is normally intended to use to trim or prune small branches and the roots. Then I'll take this opportunity to talk about a very professional tool, and this is something called as branch cutter, branch pruner, and the name is concave cutter. So you can see here the shape of the blade is concave, and this is something called as the basic tool or a significant tool for the professionals bonsais. So this is something called as hard tool. So normally this tool is normally used to give a deep hollow structure for the tree. You might be seen in case of old trees there will be a small hollow which is naturally made, but in bonsai we are using this tool called as concave cutter or concave branch cutter normally to give the deep hollow structures, deep hollow wound, and this can be used give very beautiful look or very beautiful form for a plant. So this is something called as concave cutter. Then there are other tools available such as the shovel to take out the soil. Then next we require the wire cutters. Then we require the pointed plier normally to bend the wires where your finger cannot reach to the particular wire. And then you can have a brush. This brush is normally used or to clean the branches, to clean the trunk, or to clean the soil surface. Now I will talk about the very important need in a bonsai is a wire. Wiring is basic in case of bonsai, because for wiring only we can give shape to the particular plant, and we can give different forms. The larger the number, the smaller the gauge wire, thinner the wire, and smaller the size or smaller the number, the thicker the wire. So I cannot talk about wiring in this small video, because only to talk about wiring it will take long time. So I'll make a specific video only to talk about wire and the wiring. So now in a nutshell, we should know that this particular aluminum wire is basically used to give shapes, because there are n number of wires also available. This is the aluminum wire. They are also called annealed copper wire. So this is aluminum wire normally we are using to give us shapes. So these are some of the tools which are using for the lovers, bonsai lover, to start the bonsai. Now again I want to tell you at the end of the video is that no need to start buying these particular tools, because as I told you, these tools are highly professionals and it may not be afforded by everyone to buy this. You can buy now is a very simple branch cutter or branch seccator. So this can be a basic tool for you to start. So thank you for watching this video.